I'm Gonder, and I'm a test engineer at Aerospace. I work on wire harness testing for the Dream Chaser project, which is a space plane. It's a spacecraft that goes up to space in a fairing, and then it comes back down and lands on a runway like a plane. So the Dream Chaser project is a resupply for the ISS. Our first mission, which is the shirt I'm wearing, we were resupplying the ISS, I think 7 times. So that just means take, food and supplies and science up to the International Space Station. So I've always loved space growing up. Some of my favorite memories growing up were we'd all go out into the backyard and just stargaze. Basically one day in like 6th grade, we did a project where you took an aptitude test, and one of my top 3 was Aerospace Engineer, and I looked at that and I was like, that's a job I could have. So from 6th grade on, I was like, this is what I'm gonna do. Once I graduated high school, I went to CU Boulder, and they have an aerospace engineering degree. And then pretty much right out of college, I got this job. The machine that I use every day to run these harness tests does have its own kind of code language. You have to tell it, these are the connectors, these are how many pins it has, in what order we've plugged them in. I mean, there's a whole team at Aerospace just focused on writing software for the plane. It tells the wings when to deploy. It will help the control surfaces on the wings. We can move those with the software when we're landing so that we don't just hit the ground. It does everything. Coding has just changed what we can do. Without it, being able to send a ship off to space really is not possible. The app that I made is the docking game. So it was inspired by what we're going to do with the Dream Chaser. You will launch a rocket and you have to hit a moving target. The ISS is constantly orbiting around the Earth, so we have to make sure that when we launch, we either have enough control or good enough timing that we can intercept it. A lot of the fundamentals of Bitsbox coding is exactly the same, right? So you have loops, you have if statements. It's a lot easier to transition between coding languages if you already have a foundation. So even though I've never really seen the program before, I could think through the steps logically, and as long as I could find the function that I was looking through, it was pretty simple. I texted a whole group of my college graduate engineering friends, look at this app I made! I was like, it took me 2 hours. They let me touch a spaceship.